right, guys, what is going on? As you can see, I got Babe here today, and we have something extremely special. I really don't know how we weaseled our way into this. A $2.8 million motorhome. And folks, we would like your help in this. Drop as many comments as you can, because I'm going to try to work on getting invited back. So if I can prove enough people interact with it, maybe they'll let this guy come back and tour. There's way too much to even go over on what we're about to do. I mean, the cooktop. It looks like a regular countertop, but it's an induction cooktop. It's got touch controls, projector screens, and the bathroom.
Spa. Its own spa.
Oh, we need to be loaded. But guys, Babe's going to be starting off this tour here a little bit, putting you on the spot, so I'm apologizing here. But I think we start off right off the bat. Do we just want to show them the projector right away, or do we want to save that for a second?
We can save that for just a second.
Save that for a second?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. We have the dinette here that's motorized and extends so you can seat up to 6 people.
Yep.
And
control panels too. Or is that part of the wall side?
Yeah.
Yeah, so all up on the walls, there's these awesome controls. So this expands out for the 6, like she just said. And Babe, keep on going. I'm sorry.
No, you're good. This sofa, they custom-made retractable armrest. And so this is a full queen bed that extends.
Yeah, that's awesome.
And then also the chairs, these turn into recliners. You scoot them out and then they fully extend so you can have that nice reclining moment while you are watching.
Show the projector first, I think. You can show that right there on that wall before we do that. So first off, you got a big old Mac Daddy projector. You click this button over here. Yep, there you go. And look at this. The crazy thing about it is you can flip it on reverse and watch it on the outside. But one of the craziest things that I thought too is there was actually 3 shades. Basically, you have the projector shade, you got your half Dracula, your full Dracula. It's also tinted, so you can barely walk in. As a matter of fact, when we were first coming up, I was worried that they were even here. So obviously, you get quite a bit of privacy. Should we show them one of these chairs?
Sure.
So what I thought was crazy is this recliner. I mean, literally, look at this. How awesome is that?
And then you scooch it out.
Boom, baby.
Amazing.
Fantastic. Coming up here, this is going to be, I guess you call it kind of the cockpit. Obviously you got your TV, you got a whole bunch of controls where you can see, all up and around you. You don't have the electric controls or the electric side mirrors like the other one that we saw, but I heard that they're not even federally approved yet. So, not sure what's going on there, but they'll have to answer for that, I suppose. But this control panel is pretty darn awesome. I mean, absolutely incredible. You can control all your shades, your column memory, as you guys can see here. Everything is super simple, very easy to see, and just, quite frankly, it looks like $1 million.
Yeah. Looks like more than $1 million.
It looks like multiple millions of dollars. Looks like something that Dr. Evil himself would leverage some things for. Yeah. But, wouldn't believe it or not, but your hand's sitting on the stovetop.
Yeah. This is the stovetop. This is leatherized porcelain with an induction cooktop right here. And you open this up here. Here's the control panel. You just simply hit power. There's 2 burners. You select which burner you would like to use, and it's magnetized. It will actually pull the pan to the correct burner and hold it there while it heats up.
That's awesome. How do you like the ceiling decor?
I love it. I love the mix in textures. It's just visually artistic. It's got a nice design, and I think it really helps break up the spaces as well from dining, sitting.
Oh, yeah.
And then you have your closet. This is convertible, so the shelves come out, and if you need to hang clothing, you can, or if you need to have your appliances in here, microwaves, coffee machines, anything of the such, you can put those in there as well.
Yep. You got your little K-cups and all that. That was pretty cool to have that.
Yes, custom little K-cups holder. This does for Keurig or Nespresso. And it does fit a full coffee pot.
It's awesome. So even when we were walking in, the rep there, it was funny because he was like, he pointed to that, And he goes, you know, in your refrigerator, obviously.
Obviously.
Obviously. I mean, why would the wall not be a refrigerator? That's... Did that just dim?
No, it lit up.
Yeah, but it just kind of like started out. It was like a smooth.
Yeah.
It's like a soft start light.
Waking up with you. Have your ice maker here.
Yeah, your ice maker needs its own drawer.
And then nice deep freezer storage.
Then we got the half bath. And then one of the coolest parts about this RV comes to I think the kind of the master bath. Those light up countertops.
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely insane. But you can see enough room here to be moving and grooving. You're not going to be cramped up even as a bigger person. And you got some airflow coming in, obviously. And then back here, baby, you got the mirror for the old bowling gun. Baby! Flex on him, Monty. Boom! But this was the favorite part. When we walked in, we were just looking in some $1 Million motorhomes yesterday.
Yeah.
And I didn't realize the difference between what 1.8 and 2.8 gets you. Are those not the coolest thing? It's insane.
These countertops, these are white quartz with inlaid lighting. So the actual countertops are lighting up. And especially at night when we came in here last night, just the way that they glowed, it was magical. It was like being in a Himalayan salt room. It was so beautiful. And you know I'm a big crystal girly.
Oh, yeah.
So white quartz helps amplify everything. I would have all of my crystals here. I mean, having crystals built in.
Yeah,
like,
there you go.
This was made for me.
Your countertops are what you love.
Yeah.
Plus, I think that's pretty darn smooth looking. Just how the cabinet just kind of, you know, curls in with it. It's part of the aesthetics, you know, not just the function. You got a control panel on either side of the bed too, which is pretty darn cool.
Yeah.
Overhead storage. But the bathroom, I mean, come on. This bathroom is absolutely absurd.
This motor coach was actually inspired by a spa in Cabo they went to. And so they pulled in a lot of the same features and materials and kind of artistic design choices into this. And so again, you have the white quartz countertops that light up. So your whole countertop is lit up here in the bathroom. You have a heated towel rack. The washer and dryer is right here, but one thing that they did that many don't take the time to do, they have these retractable doors, and then they also covered them in mirrors, which helps the space feel larger, and you can use it when you're dressing and getting ready in the mornings.
For sure.
This is a full steam shower.
It's a steamer?
Yes, it is a steamer, and then you have jacuzzi nozzles in here as well that will actually jet out. And so while you sit here, and you can be pressurized, and then you have the retractable removal.
Did he say what it was? Was that a porcelain tile? And then did he say what the countertops or what the sidewalls were?
He did not, but
wow.
Yeah.
I mean, now I think too we should show him. Are we done on the inside? You think?
Yeah.
Is there anything else you want to show?
Not that I can think of, but I do want to point out that I really love that they put in the rock inlays around.
Oh, yeah, wow.
Just to give it that spa feel and kind of bring in a more natural element.
Well, cool. I mean, guys, if you guys don't mind, like I said, I don't know about you, babe, but I would like to get invited back to do more motorhomes like this, get to know them. Heck, maybe one day we're sleeping in one for all we know. But the Newell Motor Coach. Now, we've been going around rating these 0 through 100 for you. We got a 93 yesterday on that. What was that? That New Horizons?
Yeah.
That was a fifth wheel. That was like $400,000.
I mean, this set the bar.
Is this
just 100? This is just in a league of its own, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, how do you compare it? The materials used, just every little detail thought of, the induction cooktop, the spa bathroom, the inlet countertops. I mean, that's unmatched. You just don't see that anywhere else. And so to even compare them, it's apples and oranges.
Well, there you go, guys. You heard it. It's the Newell 1849. This is Hunter. This is Babe. I'm going to step outside. I'm going to pause this real quick and just show you the engine real fast. But we appreciate you guys watching. See you.